All right, everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on how to calculate the mean, the median, the mode, and the range. So let's get started. So here we have all the information that we need to calculate every single one of these, but I'm going to be walking you through step by step how to do it, and we're going to reference this along the way. So the mean is going to be the average. That's what it is. And we have to add up all the numbers and divide by how many numbers there are. So let's start this together. Let's add up all these numbers. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 8 is 26. And then plus 9 is going to give us 35. So we have 35, right? When we add them all up, it gives us 35. And how many numbers do we see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 numbers, right? So to find the mean, we take what we added all up, right? Which would be 35, and we divide it by 5. Okay, we divide it by 5, just like that. And that's going to give us 7. Okay, so quick review, add up all the numbers, divide by the number of numbers. The median is super easy in this scenario. It's the number in the middle. And you might have guessed, without even me telling you, the number in the middle is 8. Because there are 2 numbers on the left of it, 2 numbers on the right of it. So 8 would be our median. Okay, now the mode. The mode, what does it say here? The number that appears the most often. Also super easy. The mode, well, 8 appears twice. No other number appears twice. So 8 would be the mode. And the range is the largest number minus the smallest number. So our largest number is 9, and our smallest number is 4. So we subtract one from the other. So I'm going to write it for you right here. 9 minus 4. And that's going to give us 5. All right. And that would be it. So that's actually our first question done. Okay, just like that, we figured out all 4 categories. Okay, now just a quick note. When you do your homework for the median, this is key. The data is arranged in order from least to greatest. Here I have already arranged the data for you in order from least to greatest for all of these. But on your homework that you might get in school, it might be different. So make sure to rearrange it so that it starts from the least and goes to the greatest. All right, moving on. Data set number 2. Let's work on this together. So we have 8, we have 15, we have 24, and then we have 35. Okay, so again, our answer here would be 35, right? So again, we're going to take 35 divided by, how many numbers are there? 5 again, 5 numbers. And that gives us 7. What's our median here? What would be our median? If you said 7, that's correct. That's the number in the middle. The mode? Well, there is no mode, as it tells you in this hint. There is no mode because there is no number that appears twice. So no mode. We can just write that. No mode. All right, just like that. No mode there. And excuse my writing. I'm writing with a mouse after all, so working my best here. And the range is the biggest number minus the smallest number. So it's going to be, again, if you said 11 minus 3, that's correct. And what is 11 minus 3? It's going to give us 8. So our range would be 8. And that's that. Okay, for this one, I recommend that you pause the video and try this yourself. Okay, that way you can be more confident. So try to fill all these answers in and then compare it with the answers I get. Whoa, what happened there? Okay, so let's do this together. 6, 7 is going to give us 13. 13 plus 7 is 20. 28. And then 28 plus 12 is going to give us 40. So we have 40, all of this equals to 40. Now, how many numbers are there? 5. So again, 40, our total, divided by 5. What is 40 divided by 5? If you said 8, good job. Now, what's our median? Okay, we got the number in the middle, 7. What is our mode? The number that appears the most often, 7. All right. And then what is our range? Okay, it would be 6. As you know, we did 12 minus 6. The biggest number minus the smallest number. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this quick intro to mean, median, and mode. If you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comments. And, of course, like always, happy learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Hi everyone. My name is Andre, and I'm the founder of Learning Leap. I have been teaching students for over 12 years, and I always look to help the student excel and have you reach your goals. So if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, as I will be releasing more content for your studies. I also do offer tutoring sessions, so if you are interested in that, feel free to reach out to me in the link in the description below. Alright, all the best and bye for now.